Hello beautiful people. In today's video I will show you guys, or my aim is to show you guys on how you can earn $100 to $200 or more on cross-exchange arbitrage, which is popularly known as crypto arbitrage. Beware that we don't give financial advice on here, all for educational purposes only. If you want a financial advice, I recommend that you subscribe to our membership. And please, I love your courage, and it's absolutely critical that you pay close attention till the end of this video so you can get the best knowledge out of this opportunity. I also want to let you know that if you want to double all your money, okay, I make predictions on the channel, and this is the reason why you should mostly subscribe to the channel. Whenever you hear any, then you know that it's me making a prediction, because I have some other team that also helps me to make videos. So make sure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification, smash the like button, and God bless you. Get on coinmarketcap.com, then you go on a search bar and type compound. Then you will see a coin looking like this one with the logo like this. So right now we have to scroll up so we can get to see the exchanges that have this compound coin on their platform. Yeah, we can buy and sell on other exchanges, which is called the crypto arbitrage. So crypto or cross exchange arbitrage is a strategy in which investors buy a cryptocurrency on one exchange and then quickly sell it on another exchange for a higher price. So that is what we are going to do right now. So as you can see, all of them here, you can see Binance and some of them. So right now we have to go that way, and we have to go on pair. If you go on pair, we have to select only USDT. Then you have to scroll down right now, and we have to look for a coin, the exchange that have got a higher price, okay, and a lower price. So we are buying low and equally selling higher. So after that, you must take into consideration on withdrawal and transfer fees required by the exchange you want to transact with, okay, because some exchanges may be charging you high fees. You have to first check on these things before you begin to move the coin from the place you've bought lower and trying to sell higher. So you can see this one here, liquid, okay, and you can see that what we should be looking at right now is to make sure that it is always on high. Okay, that place I've highlighted, it must be high or moderate, and on the liquidity must be higher. And you can see that on the trading is actually recent. And if you can see right there, it is very important that you look out on this. And if you come on here, you can still see Bitfinex, okay, or whatever they call that one. Okay, you can see they don't have anything on their liquidity. Anyone that has a minus or nothing on their liquidity, you should not trade on it, okay. You must avoid them. Only trade the one that is kind of high or moderate. So the aim now is to buy this coin at a price of $60 and sell it on the coin exchange for about $63. So you can see their liquidity is about 452, and that is good. And the volume amount of people trading is moderate, and that is also okay. You can see this one is about $62 on max exchange. The most important thing is to check on the fees, okay, of all these exchanges, okay. But if you stick to the end of this video, I will show you how to check the fees without you trying to test it out with your money. Step 1 will be to buy USDT at black market rate or less. This strategy is highly profitable. When USDT rate or dollar rate is low, then you can stock as many USDT as possible. So buy some USDT on any affordable exchange. Step 2, you have to send your USDT that you've acquired to a crypto exchange, okay, that you think that has a lower compound token price. I already promised you guys that I will show you how you can check on the fees before you start transacting with most of all these crypto platform like exchanges. So make sure you stay tuned. Step 3, convert USDT that you have to compound token, or use the USDT to buy compound token, and make sure you are buying it at a low price, which could be $60 or $61. Step 4, send compound from the lower price crypto exchange to the higher compound price crypto exchange. Step 5, convert your compound token to USDT again. So this crypto arbitrage can be done over and over again, but it's better to trade 10 times a day to avoid some exchanges from thinking you are using a bot, and some of them may not like it. And make sure you try to complete your KYC on most of these exchanges to avoid further issues. So as I promised that I will show you guys on how to check on the fees. So we are going to check on BTC Talk Exchange. You can see the price there, and now you click on it. If you click on it right now, you scroll down, you will see a place down below there that is written fees. Then you click on it. If you click on it, you see the fees, and you can check out how much they charge and all of that. You can do this on all of them, all of the exchanges. They have their fees right there. So if you still check on Liquid Exchange here, okay, if you click on it, you can go down there and see the fees down there. You can see there. Just wait a little bit. You can see that it will show you all the whole fees and all of that. So try to do that. You see the trading fees and all of that. So if this video was worth it, try to subscribe and turn the bell notification, and share this video to all of your friends, all of your crypto friends, so they can make money and live a life of freedom. And I'll be dropping more strategies on here, so you don't want to miss out. Make sure you subscribe and turn the bell notification. I'll catch you on the next one.